Hello everyone, this is Alfred Shukla from class 8B and today I am going to show you my HTML web page. HTML is the very simple language used for creating web pages. HTML's full form is Hypertext Markup Language. I have created a web page named here. Its name is MacCafe. Now let's open this no login.html file. This is the home page button which takes back to this page. And this is the clips button where there is a clip of our MacCafe restaurant. And now we could go back. And this is the online delivery buttons. Here there are something about the hygienic delivery, safety and natural products used in the restaurant. Stay home, stay safe. And here there is some photos of food. Now let's order something online. There is the login or register button also. Now we are not logged in. So if we click online delivery button, it will take us to the login page. Now let's enter my name. And my password. Now let's hit submit. Now it takes us to the login page. Now let's go back to that page. And if we are a new user, we could register also. And this is the registration portal. Let's write a name. You have to write a name here. Last name, nickname. And if we enter half information and click submit, it asks us to please fill out this field. Now let's enter email. Now password, which will be in dots. Now for date of birth, I have added a mini calendar. Let's enter any date of birth. This is the gender, male, mobile number, and as the address could be very large also of some people, so I have added in a format that could be enlarged as per our choice. Now we could also click reset, then everything will get blank again. Now let's hit submit. This is the login page. Now if we click on online delivery, we could order one. So choose items for delivery portal. I want some. These are the super saver deals. Let's click proceed button. Now this opens another site where we have to choose which burger we want. So as you can see, there are names of all burgers. Let's use it, add to my order. Now it takes us back to this page and here we get the pay button. Now we have to pay. We could either pay with UPI or pay on delivery. I choose UPI. And if I enter my UPI ID and click this, it tells ID form transaction done. And there's also a button of entering the Mac UPI ID. And this is the pay on delivery button. If we click this, it asks for 2 words, card please, because we will not accept cash during online. And when we can, the delivery boy come at you. Now let's click proceed, and this is the last page, the live tracking. It says that there's also an app developed at the App Store for live tracking of the orders. Now our order is complete. Let's go back. Thank you.